If you're deep into mechanical keyboards, not just for gaming, but for premium feel, custom switches, and enthusiast-level design, you've probably heard of the ROG Azoth Extreme 75. This isn't your average gaming keyboard. It's custom-built, gasket-mounted, and packed with enthusiast features that push beyond what most gaming brands offer. But in a competitive space where custom keyboards meet high-performance hardware, is it the best? In this segment, we're breaking down the top 3 75% high-end gaming keyboards, featuring the Azoth and 2 elite rivals from Keychron and Glorious. Whether you're looking for buttery smooth keystrokes, wireless freedom, or that perfect gasket mount feel, these are 3 keyboards that deliver. Asus ROG Azoth Extreme 75, the ultimate fusion of gaming and custom enthusiasm. The ROG Azoth Extreme 75 is Asus's premium take on a custom-style 75% keyboard. And it's more than just a flashy peripheral. With a gasket mount structure, silicone dampening layers, and factory-lubed ROG NX mechanical switches, it delivers a typing experience that feels far closer to a custom keyboard build than a traditional gamer-focused board. Its OLED display in the top corner gives you access to system info, media controls, or custom animations. There's a side-mounted 3-way control knob and full support for Mac OS and Windows, making it as much a productivity tool as a gaming device. One of its biggest features is tri-mode connectivity, wired USB-C, 2.4 GHz low-latency wireless, and Bluetooth, all with seamless switching. Battery life is solid even with the OLED and RGB active, and the included switch lubing kit and puller underline its enthusiast appeal. Pros: gasket mount and silicone dampening delivers soft, satisfying keystrokes. Tri-mode connectivity supports versatile setups. Excellent build quality with an aluminum top case. OLED screen and control knob add unique functionality. Hot swappable switches and enthusiast toolkit included. Cons: heavier and thicker than typical gaming keyboards. OLED screen is nice but limited in function for some users. Premium price point: not compatible with every third-party keycap profile due to tight spacing. The Azoth Extreme is ideal for gamers who appreciate custom keyboard culture and want a board that performs at tournament levels without sacrificing typing pleasure. Keychron Q1 Pro, the typist's dream with wireless freedom. Keychron has carved a niche in the enthusiast space, and the Q1 Pro is one of its flagship models that successfully merges custom keyboard craftsmanship with modern wireless functionality. It's also a 75% layout, but unlike the Azoth's gamer-focused DNA, the Q1 Pro leans more toward typing feel, design aesthetics, and community modding potential. This board features an aluminum CNC machined body, a double gasket mount, and hot swappable switches. Pre-lubed Keychron K Pro switches by default, or your own if you prefer something else. Sound profile and typing comfort are excellent thanks to layers of foam, plate-mounted stabilizers, and a well-balanced design. It connects via Bluetooth 5.1, wired USB-C, or 2.4 GHz wireless, and is fully compatible with Mac OS and Windows, with system toggles and dual OS legends on the keycaps. It supports VIA QMK, so full remapping and macro programming are wide open. A big plus for coders, creatives, and gamers who like full control. Pros: solid CNC aluminum chassis with a premium feel. Excellent sound and typing quality with double gasket mount. Full VIA QMK support for custom layouts and macros. Tri-mode connectivity with solid battery life. Wide modding community and aftermarket support. Cons: no OLED screen or knob by default. Slightly heavier than other 75% boards. Keycaps may feel basic compared to enthusiast upgrades. No dedicated gaming software or RGB sync. If you're more of a custom-first gamer or typist, the Q1 Pro delivers a truly high-end feel with open-source flexibility. And it doesn't look like it came out of a spaceship. It's perfect for work and play alike. Glorious GMMK Pro, the modular gaming-grade custom challenger. The glorious GMMK Pro has been a fan favorite among mechanical keyboard enthusiasts and gamers looking to step into the custom scene. It's a 75% layout with a rotary knob, aluminum case, and hot swappable sockets, making it a direct rival to the Azoth in both structure and spirit. The typing experience is buttery smooth, thanks to the gasket-mounted plate and thick foam layers that reduce hollowness and deliver a deep, satisfying sound profile. Unlike many mainstream boards, the GMMK Pro arrives as a bare-bones kit or fully assembled, so you can tune your build exactly how you want it, from switches to stabilizers to keycaps. The rotary encoder knob is programmable and sits in the top right, offering volume control or macro support. The board supports QMK VIA for full layout remapping, and although it only features wired USB-C connectivity, it makes up for it with consistency and low latency performance, which competitive gamers will appreciate. Glorious also offers a suite of accessories, including premium lubed switches, wrist rests, and coiled cables to personalize your setup. Pros: gasket mount and foam layers create excellent sound and feel. Rotary knob is customizable and practical. Full aluminum case with sleek professional design. Supports QMK VIA for power users. Ideal for full DIY builds or semi-pre-builds. Cons: no wireless options, us wired only. May require tuning out of the box for optimal performance. Limited availability of pre-assembled configurations. Software support not as polished as mainstream brands. The GMMK Pro is built for tinkerers and enthusiasts who want full control over their keyboard's behavior and acoustics. It's a great pick for someone who wants a custom gaming board without committing to a full DIY build from scratch. Wrap up and verdict. So, which one is right for you? Choose the ROG Azoth Extreme 75 if you want the best blend of enthusiast features and high-performance gaming support. It has wireless speed, deep typing comfort, and a premium aesthetic that nails both functionality and flair. Go for the Keychron Q1 Pro if you prefer open-source customization, typing feel, and a more understated design. It's perfect for users who want their keyboard to double as a daily driver for work and play, with full VIA QMK freedom. Pick the glorious GMMK Pro if you're a DIY-minded gamer or builder looking for a customizable wired setup that emphasizes clean sound, modularity, and a high-end finish. Each of these keyboards delivers in the custom meets gaming space. Your ideal pick comes down to how much customization you want, whether you need wireless capability, and how important build aesthetics or software integration are to your setup. Look to description to purchase.